Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the easy steps to register for a Huntington Bank account. Whether you're opening a checking account, savings account, or any other type, we've got you covered with this straightforward process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visit the Huntington Bank website. Start by visiting the official Huntington Bank website. You can easily find it by typing Huntington Bank into your web browser's search bar. Once on the homepage, look for the Open an Account option. This will lead you to the various account types you can open. Step 2. Choose your account type browse through the available account options. Huntington offers several choices, including personal checking, savings, and business accounts. Click on the account type that best suits your needs to proceed. Step 3. Start the application process. Once you've selected your account type, click on the Apply Now button. You will be directed to the application form. Make sure to read any specifics regarding the account features, fees, and benefits before you start filling out the form. Step 4. Fill out your personal information. You'll need to provide various personal details, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any delays in processing your application. Step 5. Provide contact information. Next, you will be asked to enter your contact details, including your phone number and email address. This information is crucial for account verification and any future communications from the bank. Step 6. Set up your online banking information. Create a username and password for your online banking account. Make sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for security purposes. Step 7. Review and submit your application. Before finalizing your application, review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once you're sure everything is correct, submit your application. Step 8. Verification process. After submission, Huntington Bank will begin the verification process. Be sure to check your email for any confirmation or additional steps needed to complete your account setup. This might take a few minutes to a couple of days. Step 9. Deposit initial funds. If your account requires an initial deposit, follow the instructions provided to fund your new account. This can typically be done through electronic transfer, check deposit, or cash deposit at a local branch. Step 10. Start using your account. Once your account is set up and funded, you can start using your Huntington Bank account. Make sure to download the Huntington mobile app for easy access and management of your finances on the go. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching, and we hope this step-by-step tutorial has made registering for your Huntington Bank account a breeze.